Hello and thank you for using the SRAR. This video will cover in detail how to edit or remove previously entered coursework in the SRAR. If you have additional questions after watching this video, please email support@scarletcs.com or visit scarletcs.zendesk.com to view FAQ, other videos, or to submit a question to customer support. You can also contact us through the Help tab in the SRAR after you've created your account. If you need to edit your coursework at any time before submitting the SRAR, start by going to the Enter Coursework section of the Enter Coursework tab. Then click the green Edit button and scroll down to the Currently Entered Coursework section. You can make changes to any courses by clicking the green Edit button next to it, then adjusting the course in the Add Coursework section and hitting Save Changes. If you decide you no longer want to edit the course and would prefer to keep it the same, simply click Cancel Edit and the course will not adopt any changes. To remove a course or multiple courses completely, check the boxes on the left in the Currently Entered Coursework section and click Remove Selected Courses. From here, continue entering all of your coursework for the selected academic year. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and good luck with your applications.